Hey, what's going on there? Leo here. Happy 4th of July. So I wanted to make this video to you, the business owners, to as a last minute tips, right, that I wanted to provide for you business owners that put offers and promotions for, like, for example, 4th of July, 4 different places or websites that you can use to help you spread the word, so to speak, for offers and deals you may have going on, right? For example, for the 4th of July, because what's good, it's a deal or promotion if people doesn't know about it, right? So I'm gonna be talking about 4 websites where you can put your deals and promotions, uh, and they're free, right? They can help you reach more people. So the first one, and the reason why, guys, is because, come on, I often see, I go through these magazines and look at different deals, right, just to see what my local business owners are doing, what sort of offers are good. But a lot of times, what I see with this, with the business owners that put offers over here is, number one, they don't track. I'm not saying all of them, right, but some of them, they don't track their numbers. Like, for example, I go to their websites, they don't really have any type of sort of analytics set up in there. So that's important, because a lot of people, what they do is they see your deal and they want to know more about it. One of the things that they do is perhaps go to your website, right? So that's good to keep track of those numbers. The other thing is that they just put it on the magazine and that's it. They don't take advantage of other places that are out there, so many other places where you can put your deals and promotions, and they're free, right? Like the ones I'm gonna share right now. So let's get started. Number one, um, Google My Business. So Google My Business is a tool that Google has for free to business owners. Basically, you can go and set up a profile of your business there, and it's free to do, right? Very straightforward, very easy. As a matter of fact, if it's something that interests you, I'm gonna make a video if you would like of it, and I can let you know about it. So the other thing, obviously, it takes time to do, right? So one of the way that, once you have Google My Business, one of the ways that you promote your offer promotion is that they have posts on Google My Business. They go very similar to what the social medias, right? The capacity to be able to post either new things that have going on your business, offers, and events. So obviously you can put your deal promotion as an event or as an offer. And the one thing with Google My Business is the post expires every 7 days, just sort of incentivize you to post more and more, right? Because they want to push this capacity to business owners. Again, so just use the offer option to post something, and that's a way to let people know when they search for that specific service or for your business. People will see there that you have an offer, so it's a way to incentivize them to come and check you out, or to actually come in and buy from you. The other site that you should use, and that is free to have your deals listed, is Facebook, right? So every business owner should have a Facebook My Business page. It's one of the is the major platform, right, where there's over 2 billion active users every month. So there's 3 types of Facebook offers: in stores, online only, in store, and online. And obviously, obviously, my message is mostly dedicated to local business owners that want to attract local customers. So obviously, in store will be one of the choices you want to do, unless you have a combination of online. But all you do, yeah, right, there's offer section you'll see there on your business page that you can go and take advantage of it, right? Yes, Facebook organic reach is low, but it still reach people that like your page, right? So still take advantage of it. It's free. Yes, it takes some of your time to go and set up, but that's why you should have somebody to help you, if you really should not be the one person doing it, right? But again, because it's so critical for businesses to put their business in front of people, at least you should have somebody to help you, either an employee or an agency, etc. The other website you should have your business listed on, your offers listed on, is Yelp, right? So Yelp has 167 million unique visitors every month, with a total of 184 millions of reviews worldwide. So Yelp is definitely one of the major players out there when people are looking for services and products in the local area. And now Yelp it's so offer it is a great place for all type of industries, right? Not just for restaurants like it was initially, but all types of industry. And one of the ways you can do to promote your offer and promotions for free is either use deals, and deals is basically where you can tell people buy a gift certificate that of $50 worth of food or service or products for just, for example, 35 bucks. So that's a sort of a deal. The customer will go and pay Yelp for that, and then Yelp will pay you, give you a reimbursement money for it. Now, the key here is that you have to know your numbers, right? You have to make sure if it's important for you, right, that you don't lose money up front, or if you know you're losing money up front, you gotta know how long it's gonna take you to recover. So if you have customers that are repeatable customers, obviously you can make your money at some point and offer a great deal up front. Either know if you're gonna be losing some money, or if you do not rely too much on repeat customers, then know your numbers. That if you're doing a deal, how can you do where you don't lose so much money up front? Because the reason why is that the way it works with Yelp deals is that they already offering a discount with the customers, but Yelp also would take a cut of it. I believe it's 15 or 10%. So at the end of the day, right, when the customer is supposed to pay you $30 for 50 bucks worth of food, for example, instead of receiving $30, $35, Yelp and give you 30 something, right? Because they take the percentage. So obviously that's a little bit more money less that you receive. So just know your numbers. The other promotion you can do on Yelp, the other thing you can do on Yelp to promote or offer a promotion is check-in offers. So check-in offers is allowing to incentivize your customers to check in on Yelp, right? So one of the things you can do is, for example, you can offer a discount or a free drink if they check in. Plus, that's a way for customers to know that you have a Yelp page, to see what people are reviewing about, talking about your business, to see other pictures of the other customers, and obviously incentivizing to perhaps leave a review as well. I know this worked really well for some of my customers when they incentivize a check-in. They have a lot of activity on Yelp and lots of reviews, and they are able to get a lot of reviews because of that. All right, the last site is Bing Places, right? So Bing Places also allows you to put offers and deals and promotions. It's free to set up Bing. Now, what's Bing? Bing is a search engine browser just like Google, and it's one of the top players up there. Obviously not as big as Google or YouTube, but one of the reasons they're big is because they're owned by Microsoft, right? And so what happens is a lot of people use Microsoft in their homes, as an operating system on their computers, and Bing is one of the default search engines that is installed there, because a lot of people may not know how to search that option, how to change that option to use something like Google, for example. They obviously use Bing, and so that's why it's one of the places you should have your business listed on, simply because of the reason that Microsoft owns it, and because they have a lot of real estate, even though it's not as big as Google and YouTube, right, or even Amazon. So those are the 4 websites you should have your promotions listed for free. Let me know if you have any questions about these ones, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe. And the last thing I want to mention is that go and check the link below above. I have a free training for you that I'm going to talk about. I'll talk about the various 3-step process I use to get my local clients, more local customers, and how to get those local customers to continue to come back. So if you're interested in that training, just go ahead and check it out. Follow the link, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.